Hi, I'm Hannah Dickinson. I'm part of the class of 2022, and my favorite space on campus is the Durden Athletic Training Center. I am a member of our women's field hockey team here, and we're really lucky to have our own athletic center. Right here is our all-athletes gym, where we come and we have lifts with our trainer and our coaches, and it's really helpful to have a space that's just for athletes. The best part is that each team gets their own locker room. And I might be a little biased, but the field hockey locker room is by far my favorite. We each get our own lockers. Mine's over here. We have a lot of fun in here. We get to hang out and bond as a team. So coming in as a first year on your first day of preseason and seeing your name on your locker, it just really makes you feel at home. It solidifies you as a member of DCFH. It makes you feel like you belong here and are supposed to be a part of this team.